I'm really happy to bring the next slot to you, because the next session is presented by the SPE Industrial Partner Network, where I am the chairman of the marketing working group. So I'm very happy when we see blue and white slides in a second behind us. And I would like to welcome Matthias Fritsche and Martin Leihenseder, representing the SPE Industrial Partner Network.
Yeah, hello and welcome also from our side. My name is Matthias Fritsche and here's my colleague Martin Leihenseder.
Hello.
We want to tell you something today about the single-pair industrial partner network, and that's why we are here also in a bigger group and give you some information. Yeah, what's the single-pair industrial partner network? So we are an open public non-profit organization, and you see here on the map many people worldwide joining this network already. And what you see also, we are from all over the world. You see that we are small companies from startups up to big international companies. But why is this companies joined together and now globally work together? Yeah, the big topic is the technology of single-pair Ethernet. And when many companies find out this will be a nice, interesting technology for the future, we also realize it's a very big topic where we need many people to work together to bring this technology to the market. That's why our mission, you see it here, is to support the market with different know-how topics, to provide everything what it's needed from the technology point of view, from the products, to make it possible that the market can adopt this technology and bring it to the devices. Our roadmap, how we do it, is the single-pair Ethernet ecosystem. And you see in the center the technology itself. And around this technology, we have all these different standards. So it starts also with IEEE, where the protocols are defined, where many of our members working actively to push forward this technology. Then it goes to the next level with the component standards for cables, connectors, and how to install such networks with the cabling standards and testing standards and so on. And when we come to the next level, also to the components, many of our members have very nice experience to develop components for single-pair Ethernet. And if these components are available in the market, you can go to the implementation. So what we see also in the presentation, in the first presentation in the morning, how to do this. All these different devices you need. And when we go to this application area where we have many different applications where SPE can be a benefit for the future. Yeah, how we work together. We have many different working groups in our foundation. So Kilian mentioned already there's a marketing group to bring all this information to the market. But behind we have also a technical working group, a use case working group. And here are some impressions from the work we did over the last years. So here a picture from our last member meeting, the roundtable number 2. And this was supported from the company Belden in Neckartenzing, where we can use this very nice conference center and innovation center. Besides many presentations and discussions about the topic, we have at this time also a Plugfest. And Plugfest, some of you never heard this before, but it's easy to understand. Different companies with these devices come together and plug it together, and we test if it works, it's compatible, it's a performance good enough. And this is also very important to bring different devices to the market, and the end user knows it fits together. So of course we will repeat this over the next year, and this is also very nice to see when different companies, also normally competition in the market here, works together in a very open way to develop everything what it's needed to make this technology working in the market. Yeah, the other way is when we have a lot of technologies ready, we present this also for the public. And the main entrance point to get this information is our website. So beside many informations about the members, what we are doing, how to become a member, of course, we have also a nice place under the point of resources where you found a lot of applications, application notes, white papers, and so on. And for this, let's jump into this website and show you how to find and get this information. So here you see our website. Of course, you found information about the members, the latest news, and so on. But I will show you here the resources, because for all the technical guys today online, they found here everything what is needed. So for example, white papers with different topics. But interesting are these application notes. For example, you found here application notes about the cables, the cable standards, and so on, and the different topics like how to test the cabling. And if you like, we can jump in one of these application notes, so you get a download. It opens, and then you can see here how you get this information. Yeah. So the typical application note describes what is inside the application note, and then a lot of useful information. Here, for example, if you want to design a device in between the semiconductor and the passive infrastructure, needs also this filter design, and here you get a lot of information, for example, for this point. Yeah, the other interesting tool we offer to the audience and the market is our product database, and this is a nice tool also, so you can jump in here. It's easy to access. You need to log in. So I have a test login to show you the function here.
Yeah, Matthias, let's make this a bit interactive now, I would say. Yeah?
Yes.
How about if I'm a sensor manufacturing company and I want to implement 10-base T1L? How about if I need to search for components for the filters? We mentioned the filters before, or for the chips, yeah, or for the connectors. How about that?
Yeah, this is very easy. So if you are logged in, you have here the different categories. I guess as a device manufacturer, you need at first the semiconductor. So you can jump in directly to this. When you see all semiconductors we have, and at the moment we have around 220 products here, not only the semiconductors, also the evaluation boards you need to test your application. But
that's
here you have,
number, yeah.
And when it takes a little bit too long, that's why we have a general search function, of course, so you can put in here 10-base T1L, and when it's selected everything what we have, so normally you show at the beginning only 10 products, so we can extend it a little bit, and when you see here the different files and also the evaluation ports, and the end customer can now get access to jump here inside. We get some more information. But the most interesting point is to jump directly, for example, to the web page of the supplier of this product. So he has also a link inside. And when you directly jump in this case, to the analog device data sheet of this semiconductor. Yeah.
That's perfect, yeah. It makes easy, of course, yeah, for the application.
And if you need an evaluation board, you see also this evaluation board. So if you start to develop it, it's always helpful to order an evaluation board where you can start with your own devices. Yeah.
Nice. So we have now the semiconductors, we have the filter components. How about things like cables? How about things like media converters, if I need some?
I guess this is the next step. If your own design is working, you need a connection point from your single pair Ethernet device to standard Ethernet. When the search for switches and semiconductor or media converter is important, so you can choose here also active components or active components. And then again, you can also here select 10-base T1L. Of course, it's a little bit limited at the moment, but we will see some more devices soon. And here you have a media converter where you can connect your device. And at the other side, you can connect it to a laptop or a network, also to test your device in an active working surrounding. Yeah. And cables and so on, you can go back to the home button. You have connectivity, for example, also the connectors you need on your board. You can jump in here. You found from several suppliers all these components. For example, let's choose one of the jacks here, and also we jump directly to this website. Or of course, if you like Harting, or you can also jump here to the Harting products, where you get also the products directly in our website and you can buy it. And nevertheless, also if you need some cables, you have cables assemblies available where you found all these different cable assemblies. And if you want to have some more devices, also you found here other devices, including edge devices with several functionalities. So it's already a nice tool where you get a lot of information on an easy way without searching with some searching engines on different websites worldwide. So it's a kind of one-stop buying tool where everything is available, and regularly the number of articles become more, and we make updates and so on.
Totally agree on that. This is a very nice list. Question, can everyone enter this list?
Yes, everyone can do it. The only thing is, so for example, if I log out, so you go to log in, and then here's a registration button. We need only a username, your company name, and the email, and then you can choose a password. And when we send out directly an email with a confirmation link, and it's only important for us that we know this email and this person is existing, and then you have access free of charge, and it's working.
Great, yeah, really nice. Thank you, Matthias.
Yeah. And to sum up this topic, at the moment we have around 500 products inside. Regularly we ask also our members for new products. Very often we get also hints and information from the market, especially for the semiconductor suppliers, when they have new chips, so we update this. You can find also, you can search for products coming soon. So we have also phased out products inside, so that you really have a whole overview. It's supplier neutral, and it's offered and paid and operated by our industrial partner networks. And it shows also to the market that we not only talking about this technology, we really try to help the market with real working tools to start this topic. Yeah, the other question is what else we did, and this is also a nice thing we did last year. And
I think the main purpose of our single pair Ethernet partner network, Matthias, is to bring single pair Ethernet close to the customer so that it's easy for them to use. And one big question from customers was, do we have any reference designs, or do we have any applications already for that? And for that purpose, there was the idea on the last Electronica in Munich,
I guess,
to start some kind of a design challenge, where our companies came together and other companies also from the single pair Ethernet partner network and external partners like Analog Devices and DigiKey. And we started this challenge, let's see, here, with a partner called SparkFun. SparkFun, a year before, they helped us in doing a design, some kind of a board for single pair Ethernet. This is like an Arduino. And here there are the basic applications. And what we did is that we made a design challenge and sent customers to the applicants. Sent the boards to the people that bring the application to us. We sent it out. I think 70 boards approximately, to the customers. And we got about 20 responses from them, or Einreichungen.
Contributions from different areas of the world. It's really impressive.
This is impressive because from the time that the people received the boards and to the time that we received the results, it was only 3 months. So it was a very short time, but for that the results were very good. And we had 5 winners in 3 categories. We have 1 winner for the best industrial application. This is what we see now, or soon, from Belden. Then we have also a prize for environmental, the most sustainable application, and then we have 3 prizes for the maker scene.
Here's some impressions from all these contributions we get, and it's really a wide range. So starting with some sensors for air quality measurement. In the middle, it was a funny application. It was deep sea sensor to measure water data and so on.
And this is actually a real life picture, yeah? So this is no rendering stuff. Yeah. This is really somebody scuba dived to the deep sea and put the sensor node there. Yeah?
It really shows nice. Also how actively this members of this contest work on this with a lot of enthusiasm and power.
Yeah, and therefore there are the 3 winners of the design challenge for the maker scene. So the first prize was Scott Rapson from Australia for this deep sea sensor node. Not only that he brought single pair Ethernet to the deep sea, no, he also implemented a PD and a PSE, which was not on the function board.
Yeah.
Which is very impressive. And this whole application, the sensor node, it has a pressure sensor and for the salt inside the water. Then we have MD Karayul Alam from Bangladesh, and his application was a water dispensing system. Yeah, so we have high buildings, and on top there are water tanks, and the water tanks, they need to be filled with water, of course, and there's a sensor and looking if the water is empty to bring new fresh water to this pipe. And then, last but not least, there was Julian Blanco from the United States. This is also some kind of deep sea boy, yeah, but with another application here. He used acoustic sensors, yeah, for example, for earthquakes or for whales, yeah, to bring this information from the deep sea over 1 kilometer to the surface. Here we have the first place for sustainability from the company MacCom. I would say before I tell some details, we just watch the video here.
Yes.
Hi everyone. It is our honor to present you the closed-loop SPE system saving the environment. The closed-loop system was built by Dennis Lee, CTO of MacCom. The system incorporates an external sensor that communicates via SPE for both the control unit and the sensor unit. The Node-RED dashboard on smartphone displays the changes of temperature and humidity via Wi-Fi and accessible through MQTT-based control software. All data can be stored and managed locally or remotely on request. On the smartphone screen is the real-time data. The 3-month historical data helps you to pick out the trend. When the temperature exceeds the preset limits, water will be released to adjust temperature, and the system can be shut down automatically or manually. By activating only when needed, the system results in reduced energy consumption and no additional carbon dioxide emissions. SPE demonstrates a technology that can create a safer shop floor and a more environmentally friendly network. This design challenge was not just a test of our skills, but an incredible experience as we work to create a system with a profound impact on environmental sustainability. Single-pair Ethernet has been proven to significantly reduce the carbon footprint compared to traditional Ethernet. As we accept this award, we commit to continue making contributions to environmental sustainability through our technological expertise. Thank you for recognizing our efforts and for supporting our mission.
Yeah, you see here many different applications, and if you like to go in action now and want also to build something, we offer today that we can, if you contact us via LinkedIn, we offer you also the possibility to get also one of these development kits. So contact us today, and when we select one of the or 3 of you, and you get also such a development kit when you can work with this technology also by your own. It's an idea we just have in the morning and we will offer today. Yeah.
So take this chance. Yeah? All right, good. Our last winner from the design challenge. First place of industry, Belden Group, yeah, with Thomas Rodenbusch-Mohr, sorry for the name.
Simply Thomas, yeah, from Belden.
Simply Thomas, yeah. All right, with an IO-Link master connected with single pair Ethernet. Thomas, I would say the stage is yours.
Thanks a lot. Hello again from my side. If you can switch back, please, to the presentation again. Thanks a lot. So, quick overview, what is the concept behind that line H master device. I've briefly mentioned it in the presentation earlier this morning. So the target was really to easily bring I/O link sensors, actuators to Ethernet, to single pair Ethernet. And as I mentioned before, 10BASE-T1L offers a lot of benefits. So 1 kilometer range, more range than traditional Ethernet. So you can really reach remote sensors and easily bring them to the transparent Ethernet network. And this is exactly what the Line H does. It's an engineering sample, it's a market study, but it's live in operation, and I will show it later. So it has 2 I/O link ports where you can connect I/O link sensors, actuators to, and it has 1 single pair Ethernet T1L uplink port which you can connect to an Ethernet switch. On top, it has a M8 SPE power cord set, which you can use to power it up. So that's basically the concept. And the beauty of that device is it speaks the industrial IoT. So it has OPS CUA inbuilt and also a REST API. And you can also hook it up to an Ethernet IP network so that it can be controlled with a PLC. And with that, I would like to switch to a real-life demo of the Line H. Just a second, my PC here got locked. Okay, now it's perfectly working fine. All right, so here we have the sample application depicted here on the table. And it consists, if I can have the kitchen cam please from the top. The camera from the top, yeah, exactly, perfectly fine. So here you can see the sample application. We have here the Line H, that is our engineering sample, connected to a SIG I/O link pressure sensor. And that Line H is then connected to our Beetle SPE switch. And that Beetle is connected here via standard Ethernet to my laptop. And to show you that it's live and operational, I have here the web interface of that Line H that shows the different information that the device includes. So you have a status overview here, where you can see, for example, at the moment here, I have an I/O link device connected to it. It's in operational state. The second port, the I/O link, is at the moment not connected, no device here. But it even goes further. So I can now click here on the port overview. I can now show here the details of the port. So what kind of device is connected to it. It's really a live and operational, fully integrated I/O link master. You can see here the I/O link data. It's a pressure sensor from SIG AG, sensor intelligence, pressure switch for pneumatic applications, and you even can upload IODD descriptions files to it. And this I have done already, and you can also use that Line H to now configure the sensor to change its parameters. And now it takes a while to open the configuration dialog. So, and now we can see here that the full options are available. You can have here the observation menu, the parameter menu. Everything can be changed and can be stored directly in the Line H. And now one practical use case that I would like to show to really prove you that it's live and operational. I will now change the display color here of the sensor from SIG from green to red. So if I can have the live video feed, please. So now it's green. I change that here to red, and now the color is changing. So it's really live and operational. It's an active device that we can explore. With that, they can explore the I/O link technology together with SPE. And this is what I want to show today, the live demo of the Line H I/O link master from Belden.
Yeah, come on, back to us, okay. Yeah, many thanks. I think this is very astonishing for only 3 months development time. Yeah, this is great.
Yeah, and once again, if you want to do also your own development, contact us, and then you can get one of these free kits and start your own development with 10BASE-T1L SPE technology. Yeah. thanks from our side for your attention, and we will continue soon. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Matthias. Thank you, Thomas. Martin, I believe you can stay with me here, right? Perfect. So, Thomas, thank you for the live demo, right? So we all know live demos in webinars is like skydiving or even worse.
Yes.
But it works, so respect and thank you very much for that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
Perfect. And also particular then thanks to the contribution of Belden and also Würth within the SPE Industrial Partner Network. And we heard a lot from Martin and Matthias, and I would also do some commercial, let's say, because we will be in Hanover. So Hanover Fair will be the first fair we will have a known booth representing the SPE Industrial Partner Network. It's Hall 11, B53, if I'm right. You will find us directly across the street from the ZWE All Electric Society Arena. So really, anyways, the spot to be in Hanover. So we all are looking forward. You are not there, I'm not sure.
But the use cases are there.
The use cases are there. So we will show two nice SPE use cases. We would be happy to have you there. Additionally, I would like to underline, really check out the product database, because this is really the single spot on the world where the most SPE products, existing SPE products, are combined in one spot. Yeah? Whatever company they are from, all the connectors, all the PHYs, all the chipsets, and so on and so forth, cables, and also the first devices, like we saw from Belden today, you will find there. So that's really a place to be if you would like to generate an overview to the SPE technology.